Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your mineralogy teacher, Jen, and it's time for Monday's Mineral. Now that we are into December, we are starting our new unit, which will be on halides. And our first mineral is going to be the one that the group is named after, halite. You probably have halite in your house because it is better known as table salt. If you look really closely, it actually takes on that cube shape you saw in that picture behind me. And that is its crystal habit or crystal structure. The chemical formula for halite is NaCl. You may have also heard it called sodium chloride. It is colorless or white when pure, but typically comes in yellow, gray, black, brown, or red, depending on the impurities present in the crystals. It has a cubic crystal habit, but can also be found in masses of granular, fibrous, and compact crystals. It has perfect cleavage, which is also seen in that cubic cleavage, so it has perfect 90-degree angle cleavage, which is sweet, and gives it that cubic shape. I guess I should say it's salty, not sweet. It may have perfect cleavage, but it does fracture conchoidally, just like quartz. It is brittle, with a hardness between 2 and 2.5 on the Mohs hardness scale, meaning it's fairly soft, which makes sense, considering that we eat it. It has a vitreous, or a glassy luster, as you can see here. It leaves a white streak, and it's typically transparent to translucent. It has a salty taste, as we are all well aware of, though I wouldn't suggest licking any halite you find out in the wild, especially if you're from the Salt Lake area. There's tons of deposits of salt around the Great Salt Lake, obviously. Don't eat it. It's not good. Nope. Halite is an evaporite mineral, so it occurs in sedimentary rocks deposited by seawater or salty lake water as they evaporated. And halite is primarily used as a flavor enhancer and to cure a wide variety of meats. It is also used to melt snow and ice off of roads and sidewalks, which is particularly important this time of year, now that it's officially started to snow in the valley and other places as well. So, make sure you get out there and buy your sidewalk salt. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure that you tune in tomorrow for some fun trivia. And I will fossilize you later.